In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an easy content calendar in Notion. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of posts for different platforms, launch dates, or ideas that come to you at random times, a simple content calendar can make a huge difference. Notion has a built-in marketplace full of ready-made templates. So instead of building everything from scratch, you can start with a solid foundation and customize it to your needs. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and look for the marketplace. Depending on your version, you might see it in the sidebar or in the top navigation. Click on Marketplace to open the template gallery. This is where creators share layouts for everything from project management to personal planning, and of course, content calendars. Once you're in the marketplace, go to the search bar at the top and type in Content Calendar. Take a moment to be specific with your search term. Typing Content Calendar will surface templates that are already structured for planning posts, assigning dates, and tracking status, which is exactly what we want here. After the search results load, you'll likely see just a few featured options at first. To view the full list, look for the option that says something like See All followed by a number, for example, See All 99. Click on that. This expands the search results so you can browse a much wider range of calendar templates, from simple setups to more advanced systems designed for teams or agencies. Now scroll through the templates and pay attention to the previews and descriptions. Look for something that matches the way you like to work, whether that's a calendar view, a board view grouped by status, or a list you can sort and filter. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the full page. On this page, you'll see more details about how the template works, along with a Use this template or similar button. Select it, then just follow the on-screen prompts. Notion will guide you through duplicating the template into your own workspace. You may be asked to choose which workspace or folder it should live in. Pick the area where you normally organize your content or projects. Once it's added to your workspace, you can start customizing. Rename it, adjust properties like platform or status, and start adding your upcoming posts. With just those few steps, you now have an easy, organized content calendar in Notion that you can adapt and build on over time.